Hey, let me show you how you can try to fix the incoming calls issue on the Redmi Watch 4. So first of all, what we have to check is to actually go into the settings. So swipe up, go into the settings. Now go into the sound and vibration and just be sure that the silent mode is actually turned off, like this. Next, you can also check if the ringtone volume is not set for the 0, for example. So get it, for example, like this, just to be sure that it is actually playing sound. And next, if it doesn't help you and you still didn't receive notifications for calls, go into your phone and open this Mi Fitness application. Go into your device, and from this scroll into the app notifications. Just be sure that you actually allow all notifications that comes from your phone, and also get the incoming calls. Be sure that you turn on the optimize incoming call notifications and show contact information. And if you still have this issue and you cannot receive any calls on your watch, I can recommend you to perform the reset, because there's like no other option to set it up to change it. So go into the button, go into the all apps menu, open the settings, then scroll down all the way down. Now move into the system, and from this select reset and click on it one more time to erase all data. After this, just remove this watch from your application by clicking unpair, and remove this application, install it one more time, and pair both devices again. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.